Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel. Hello everyone. So just say that you have assigned an array and you apply the array. So you have multiple objects and you need to separate these objects. So if you hit the tab key and go in edit mode, you can either go to mesh, separate, or hit the P for shortcut, and then you select by loose parts. And with one click, you get all your objects as separate. Of course, whatever is there, you can again Control J to connect it. But that's how you can separate your objects if you create an array and apply an array to the objects. Thank you very much.